JDCap26 here, just do tips and fears and hobbies. And we're doing the House of Wax today. And I'm going to be showing you clips of that. And I hope you enjoy the video. And I know the lighting's really poor in here. I'm sorry about that. So stay tuned. I've been working on this. And this is the House of Wax. And I've got things that's being supported there, because I just glued that piece on there in the middle, and the table is upside down, and I had to thicken up the railings right here. So I went across with some putty, epoxy putty on both sides to strengthen those legs. And the next step tomorrow is I'm going to give it a shade of primer, gray, and the parts were previously washed in detergent and hot water to get any mold release off. So that's what I'm doing, guys, and I'll show you, next clip you'll see some results. I'm going to give you a sneak preview a little bit here, what we're doing. And that's it. Working on the body of Vincent Price here, and here's the colors we used for this kit, and we'll see you in the next. The House of Wax is all done, and here it is. And that top part glows in the dark. That's the wax. And I just got one more piece to put on. That's over to the left of me. No big deal, but you get the idea. I hope you like this video. I hope you rate and subscribe and give me the thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.